Dr. Jamin Brahmbhatt and Dr. Sijo Parekattil from Orlando Health are joining us this morning. First of all, it's been so long since we've seen you. Troy and I emceed your fashion show Friday night. We saw a video of you two working the runway, and this was a great event to kick off what you guys have going on this week.
Yeah, I think the best part was that we all spent days trying to figure out what we're going to wear, and Troy just showed up and beat all of us and looked the best.
Well, that's kind of what he does. But you're kicking.
I liked his moves. You know.
Well, this one was rocking shoes from Italy that we kept coming back to. So tell us, for folks who haven't heard of this, what is this movement?
So the Drive for Men's Health is an international movement where we try to encourage men to live longer. So men in America actually live 5 years less than their female counterparts. So what are the small changes that they can do to actually expand and increase their life expectancy? So the result, as we've talked about, all day, is get them to live longer. And a lot of times we don't live longer because we're just full of excuses. So what can we do? And so we're two normal guys, and we show that even as doctors and having very busy lives, we're able to kind of make some of those changes to get that result that we want.
What do you think? Oh, sorry. What have been? Go ahead.
You go. You go. We're so excited to have you.
So many questions. Why do you think it's men who just don't want to go to the doctor? What is it about that?
Well, I think it's just maybe it's a bit of a macho attitude, or just the feeling that, hey, it won't get me. And so I think all of us, men or women, at times we take things for granted, right? We think that we take our health for granted. And what we don't realize is that, it's so precious. We really have to make an investment, go in to see the doctor, do that preventive maintenance, just like taking care of your car, right? You do your maintenance, you do your checkups, but when it comes to our own health, we don't take that ownership. And that's what we're trying to do, is get guys to go in and say, listen, I'm really happy, and I've got reasons X, Y, and Z why I need to do this. I love my family, I love my kids, I want to be around. And so I need to go get checked out. So we're trying to change that attitude to get people to take ownership, to understand that, hey, if you don't check up on yourself and get those checkups, maybe something could sneak up on you.
We actually did a survey, and we found the top 3 excuses. And most of the guys, number 1 excuse is that guys say they don't have time. Number 2 is that they're worried about the truth that we may say in the office. And the third is that they're worried about the physical examination.
Yeah. And after the fashion show, we were all kind of hanging out Friday night, and other guests there were talking about, well, I haven't been to the doctor in X amount of years, but you guys did a great job of kind of like getting maybe some people that we work with to book a doctor's appointment.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's what it's about, right?
It's about going to see a doctor. It's about making smarter decisions when you're actually eating. It's because 80% of diet and weight loss and exercise is food, yet we all just focus on gym memberships and training. So I think it's going to be great that if you guys follow us on driveformenshealth.com, all of our social media feeds, you're going to have us, you're going to have Josh, who's our personal trainer that comes with us. We have a crew of like 10 people to give you tips that it doesn't have to be expensive. It can be very simple. And what are the things that you can do? And when we do it and we show that we can do it, we're normal guys. We're very normal to show that we can do it. We can lose 80 pounds together. Why can't you too?
Yeah, over the last few years, we've actually lost about 80 pounds altogether.
Wow. And you're going to India and Dubai Friday.
Yep.
Friday.
Yep.
So you're taking off. You're leaving. What's happening there? And we're kind of tight on time, but tell us what magical things will happen there.
Well, basically, we're trying to connect with local people, try to illustrate that for all guys out there, all walks of life, a few different changes can improve their health tremendously. So I want to show that this is not just a local phenomenon, but something we can do globally.
Yeah, but the international buzz hopefully will continue to be a catalyst for what we're doing over here. So all guys, we just got to get healthier and fitter, and we need your help.
Well,
we need you.
You're guys, aren't you?
Yes.
You guys are going to be the ones that are going to be able to get us there. So thank you.
Well, thank you for being here. It's so fun to see you guys again. And we'll be following you on social media, and we'll put all this information on our website.